Good morning, all of you. Carbonyl compounds, preparation of ketone. Both aliphatic and aromatic ketones we are going to prepare in this video. First, preparation of aliphatic ketone, nothing but acetone. Acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Acetyl chloride, one molecule of acetyl chloride, another molecule of acetyl chloride, Cl, C double bond O, CH3. When treated with commonly dialkyl cadmium, particularly dimethyl cadmium gives cadmium removed the two chlorine atom. Like calcium, the valency of cadmium is 2. Cadmium is a 2 plus ion. So, CdCl2. Chlorine is removed as minus. This chlorine is also removed as minus. Charge on acetyl carbonyl carbon is plus, methyl minus. Now, this minus is added to carbonyl carbon. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This minus, methyl minus, is now added with this carbonyl carbon. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, C double bond O, Cl. CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Two molecules of acetone, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. CH3 plus loss of cadmium chloride, CdCl2. So, this is 3 carbon, we know acetone, dimethyl ketone, IUPAC name propanone. 3 carbon, prop, carbon, single bond N, ketone name end with one propanone. This is the method of preparation of aliphatic ketone. Now, we are going to discuss aromatic ketone preparation. Preparation of phenyl ketones by Friedel-Crafts acylation, addition of acetyl chloride to the benzene ring. First, we are going to prepare acetophenone, molecular formula C6H5 phenyl group, one ketone, C double bond O, CH3, this is your acetyl, named as acetophenone. So, Friedel-Crafts method is one of the best method to prepare alkyl aryl or diaryl ketone. Next, our preparation is benzophenone, that is an example of diaryl ketone. This is alkyl aryl ketone. One of the reactant is benzene ring C6H6. Now, I separate one hydrogen from benzene ring C6H6 with acetyl chloride CH3, C double bond O, Cl. All Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride AlCl3. H plus from benzene ring and Cl minus from acetyl chloride, H plus Cl minus, removed as HCl. Acetyl plus is now added to benzene ring, gives C6H5 COCH3 with the loss of HCl. Molecular formula C6H5COCH3 called acetophenone, and one more name is methyl phenyl ketone. Benzophenone is an example of diaryl ketone. Two benzene nucleus added to carbonyl carbon, diphenyl ketone or benzophenone. Benzene when treated with instead of acetyl chloride benzoyl chloride. Benzene C6H6. Now I separated one hydrogen when treated with benzoyl chloride C6H5C double bond OCl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride AlCl3 H plus Cl minus removed as HCl and benzoyl plus is added to benzene ring. Benzoyl plus is added to benzene ring gives C6H5. Here you have COC6H5 with the loss of HCl. This is where benzophenone, 2 phenyl group attached to ketone functional group, therefore also called diphenyl ketone. So these are the method of preparation of both aliphatic and aromatic ketone. In the next incoming video, we are going to discuss about the properties of carbonyl compound, both aldehyde and ketone. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.